Guys, welcome in my show Popular Academy Biology, and today we will discuss the third part of very important system known as excretory system. And in this topic we will discuss a very important cycle which is termed as urea cycle. And in this video we will discuss all the steps of urea cycle and enzymes which take part in the cycle. This urea cycle is characteristic of mammals and mainly occur in the liver cell. And this urea cycle basically involves 5 important steps in which first and second reaction of urea cycle occur in mitochondria of liver cell, while third, fourth and fifth reaction of urea cycle occur in cytosol of liver cell. Thus the 5 enzymatic reactions are very important concept of urea cycle. And this urea cycle mainly starts during the metabolism of various nutrients, basically amino acids. Ammonia is synthesized, and this ammonia is very toxic. If this ammonia is retained in the cell, it will damage cells. So this ammonia is very much toxic, and the basis of urea cycle is basically the conversion of much more toxic ammonia into urea, which can be retained in the body for some time. And when the blood is filtered, urea is excreted as urine. Thus the urea cycle is nothing but the conversion of ammonia, more toxic, into less toxic urea. And in the first step of urea cycle, ammonia first combined with carbon dioxide and a compound carbamyl phosphate is formed. The reaction is catalyzed by enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase. The first reaction of urea cycle occur in mitochondria of liver cell. And in the second reaction of urea cycle, carbamyl phosphate mainly combined with ornithine and compound citrulline is formed. This second reaction also occur in mitochondria of liver cell. Citrulline is intermediate step. In urea cycle, this citrulline is transported by a membrane channel present in mitochondria and transported in cytosol. This citrulline mainly combined with aspartate in the urea cycle, and a compound argininosuccinate is formed. It is the third step of urea cycle, and during this formation, argininosuccinate, a very important enzyme, argininosuccinate synthetase take part. And in the fourth step of urea cycle, argininosuccinate is converted into fumarate and arginine by an important enzyme known as argininosuccinase. And in the last step of urea cycle, arginine is converted into urea and ornithine by a very important enzyme known as arginase. Thus, in the fifth step, one molecule of urea is synthesized. We remember this urea cycle is interconnected with Krebs cycle. Aspartate comes from Krebs cycle and fumarate return to the Krebs cycle. This aspartate is basically the source of second nitrogen for urea, because urea molecule mainly contain 2 nitrogen. And be clear, in the urea cycle, total 3 molecules of ATP are consumed. 2 ATP molecules are consumed in the first step of urea cycle, and 1 ATP is consumed in the third step of urea cycle, and energy of 4 phosphate bond is mainly released. The name of 5 enzymes during the urea cycle is carbamyl phosphate synthetase, ornithine transcarbamylase, argininosuccinate synthetase, argininosuccinase and arginase. These enzymes are very important to carry out the urea cycle, and this urea cycle is also termed as ornithine cycle or Krebs and Henseleit cycle, characteristic of mammal. Thus the urea cycle mainly involves the conversion of more toxic ammonia into urea. Thus we remember each and every step of urea cycle is very important to know during the excretion, during this process. And first and second reaction of urea cycle occur in mitochondria, while the remaining reaction of urea cycle occur in cytosol. Thus the 5 enzymatic reaction of urea cycle are very important, and this is interconnected with the Krebs cycle, and it is also termed as ornithine cycle. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share my channel and video. Thank you.